How to enable autoplay video on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can enable autoplay video on Facebook. So let's dive in. So first open up your Facebook app and then you have to wait for it to load and click these three lines on the bottom right corner that says menu. Now you simply have to scroll down and choose the settings and privacy option. Now click settings over here. And then it's going to bring you to the settings and privacy page, and you have to scroll down over here until you see this option that says media and click this option. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page that says videos and photos, and here you will see this autoplay option. Now you have this option never autoplay videos. It would be turned on if your autoplay is not enabled. You simply have to choose this when using mobile data and Wi-Fi over here, and once you choose this option, it's going to just turn on the autoplay and it's going to enable it. When your battery is low, videos stop playing automatically, so remember that. And that's how you enable autoplay for your videos on Facebook app. Thanks for watching.